Alright, so first oil change on the 2017 Chevy Traverse. I'm not surprised because, well, it's a Chevy, and the engineering team at Chevy outdid themselves with this one. Or GM, I guess. But anyway, I thought for sure, well, first of all, it's a 15 millimeter on the oil pan bolt, which is fine. The dealership that had the vehicle before me, they decided that impact wrench was the way to go. I can tell by the marks on the bolt, and based on how much force I needed to take it off, it was probably 60 to 70 foot-pounds. A little excessive considering there's a gasket on it. So anyway, the hardest part, though, I guess, for me, being the first time doing it, was the let's see if I can getting the oil filter out without making a mess. I got oil on my concrete because I thought it was going to spill everywhere, and it kind of did. It ends up kind of rolling back along the oil pan. It's hard to see, but so the front of your engine is going to be coated in oil most likely every oil change, because that's GM. It makes a lot of sense, I think. Gotta keep the outside of that engine lubricated. But anyway, if I can get this to focus, I hope I can. I don't know. There we go. So anyway, when you put the new oil filter in, see if I can get this to take right here. Where are they at? There it is. Okay. When you put the new oil filter in, there will be, I can get it to focus on it. Where is it at? It's over here somewhere. Okay, there it is, kind of a little close to it, but so the new oil filter, the way to line it up, I put it in from the top side because there's no access from the bottom, which is why I got oil everywhere. It's hard to see, but the bottom on the bottom side of your filter housing, you guide it in. There's like a cup shape of aluminum, and you can guide the filter in using that. And it took me a while to realize that that was there. But when you use that, it still takes a little bit to figure out, to get it on the thread, but that's the easiest way to do it. Use that little piece of aluminum to guide your filter in. From the top side, filter is, come on, there it is, right down by the exhaust manifold. I use one of these wrenches to take it off. Yeah, it's kind of an inconvenient place. But I just wanted to make a quick video, show how, kind of explain how to get the oil filter in easier than just blindly trying to do it. So, thanks.